Welcome back to ClearTask. Today, I'll show you how to set up auto borders in Excel so you never have to manually format your tables again. When you enter data, the border appears. When you delete it, the border disappears. Let's jump right in. First, select the entire range of cells where you plan to enter your data. Next, make sure you are on the Home tab. Click on Conditional Formatting and select New Rule from the drop-down menu. In the window that opens, choose the last option. Use a formula to determine which cells to format. Now we need to tell Excel to apply a border only if the cell is not empty. Click inside the formula box. Type the equal sign and then click on the first cell of your selection. For example, A2. You need to remove the absolute reference from the row. You can do this by pressing the F4 key until the $ is only in front of the column letter, making it read as $A2. Immediately after that, type the less than symbol, the greater than symbol, and 2 double quotes. This exact combination tells Excel not equal to blank. Now click the Format button, go to the Border tab, click on Outline, and hit OK. Click OK one more time to apply the rule. Test it out. Type any value in your targeted column and hit Enter. The border automatically snaps into place. Delete the text and it vanishes. Clean, simple, and fully automated. If this quick method saved you time today, hit the like button and subscribe to ClearTask for more direct, no-nonsense tutorials. See you in the next video.